Hi everyone, this is Padma ma'am from NS Education. We are seeing about the surface chemistry. Today topic is we are going to see about the purification of colloids. Last topic we have seen about the preparation of colloids, and this channel is about a page wise topic wise revision of NCERT topic. So today what we are going to see is purification of colloids. See, a colloidal solution when produced, it may contain an excessive amount of electrolyte, that is an impurities. So how this can be reduced? How this can be reduced? How we will get a pure colloids? The process of reducing the amount of impurities is not, it is the purification of colloids. So how we can reduce the amount of impurities? By dialysis. There are three processes of purification: dialysis, electrodialysis, ultrafiltration. If you take dialysis, see, this is about a diagram. See, purification, if it is asked, it may be asked in the 3-mark question. So first we will go for the dialysis. So first you have to draw the diagram, and you have to state the definition and what are all the requirements for purification. So dialysis member, this is a dialysis member, and this is a soul to be purified, and it is a water bath and crystalloid. The crystalloid will be collected at the bottom. So what is the dialysis? It is a process of removing dissolved substance from the colloidal solution by means of diffusion through the suitable membrane. Is just like a filter paper, how we will filter. So this is the process of removing the dissolved substance from the colloidal solution. So by the means of diffusion through a suitable membrane. What are all the requirements? How we can filtrate? How it can be by a suitable membrane? What are all the suitable membrane means? Animal membrane, cellulose membrane, Patchman membrane. It is used to filter the impurities. And this is an example of which can be prepared. The preparation we saw in the previous video only, the preparation of colloids. Kindly go through before watching this video. So preparation of colloids. After preparing this, we can use this dialysis method to get the or to reduce the impurities. So where this dialysis is there in the page, this is there in the textbook, NCERT textbook, purification of colloidal solution. So the first process is dialysis. That is the process of, already I have said about the purification definition, purification of colloids, and this is a definition and the diagram, definition, diagram, and the thing which we needed for the thing, and the apparatus used for this purpose for the dialysis is called as dialysis. So we are seeing the first topic. We have seen the first topic. We have two more topic in the purification of colloids. I'll just explain that in the next videos. Kindly subscribe the channels. Thank you.